Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix input lag in Apex Legends on PC, so your gameplay feels smoother and more responsive. First, make sure your Apex Legends is running in full screen mode. Go to Settings, then Video, and set Display Mode to full screen. This helps reduce delay compared to borderless or windowed mode. Next, we scroll down, and here in Advanced, we turn off VSync. VSync can add noticeable input lag, especially during fast-paced fights. Now, lower a few graphics settings. Set the texture streaming budget based on your GPU. Then lower anti-aliasing, shadows, and effects detail. After that, we scroll back up a little bit, and under VSync, we see NVIDIA Reflex. And make sure we turn this to enabled plus boost, since this also reduces system latency. Also, check your mouse settings and controls, or mouse and keyboard, and here in mouse acceleration, we turn this off. Lastly, close background apps like browsers or overlays before launching the game and make sure your graphic drivers are up to date. And that's it. These settings should help reduce input lag and make Apex Legends feel much smoother on PC. And that is how to fix input lag in Apex Legends on PC.